Owning a home, it's a dream for so many people, but it can also feel overwhelming. Is it really worth it? What if you make a mistake? Well, that's exactly why I created this series to guide you step by step through the entire home buying process, making it clear, simple, and as stress-free as possible. Why is buying a home such a big deal? Well, first, it's one of the best ways to build long-term wealth. Instead of paying rent every month, you're paying into your house, which is building equity, meaning as time goes on, you are owning more and more and more of your house. When you're renting, you're not paying into something you own. Instead, you're paying to your landlord. Plus, real estate tends to appreciate in value, which means your home will be worth more in the future. And let's not forget about tax benefits. There's stability involved with owning your own home, and you have the freedom to make a space truly yours. So how does this all work? Well, the home buying journey usually follows a simple roadmap. First, you need to get pre-qualified or pre-approved for a mortgage. That tells you how much home you can afford. Then, you go out and you search for the right house. You make an offer, and once it's accepted, that's where the real fun begins. Getting a mortgage, completing inspections, and the most exciting part, closing the deal and getting the keys. It might sound like a lot, but don't worry, I'll break it all down for you step by step in this series. And I get it, buying a home can feel scary. You might wonder, can I really afford it? What if my credit isn't perfect? What if the market changes? Those are all valid concerns, but the good news is there are solutions. There are different mortgage options for different financial situations, and a good lender, like me, can help you find the right path. Now that you know why homeownership is such a great investment and have an overview of the process, it's time to dive deeper. In the next topic, I'll break down exactly what a mortgage is, how it works, and what to expect in the process. Trust me, you don't want to miss it, so make sure to like, subscribe, and let's make your homeownership journey a reality together.